Hi, my name is Shara Swap, and this is the website for Rusty Rooster Ranch. This was such a fun website to design. Just going from the ranchy feel, was able to get kind of like a rustic look. Not too rustic, so it's still modern, but still kind of has that rustic feel. Really tried to get colors that were kind of calming, but also could be exciting. The purpose of this site is to get people to want to volunteer for this nonprofit called Rusty Rooster Ranch, where troubled youth can come and they can gain experience farming, raising animals, and then also just come and have some life skill classes. And just kind of have a place where they can come feel loved, come have fun, and just get away from the world. Some things I decided to cover in this was just the first tagline to get people excited, nice quote, and then our mission and goals, ways to volunteer, and volunteer qualifications. And then a call to, the sessions as well, so people know when they would have to volunteer. And then a call to action. What are you waiting for? Come join. Something that one of my testers that I had try mentioned that we could put volunteer buttons throughout the whole thing, so people don't really have to read and get all the way to the end to volunteer. They can volunteer as soon as they would like, which I really loved, because I do feel like we live in a world that's a little more fast-paced, and sometimes people don't want to read the whole thing. So I liked that idea of being able for them to volunteer kind of everywhere on the page, since that is the purpose. Some things that I loved, I learned so much. I learned how to use WordPress, which I haven't done before, and it was really fun. What a neat tool that we have to use here. Using WordPress was very interesting. I've never done like any website building things like that before. I have coded, and usually when I make websites, it's all from scratch, so it was definitely a different experience using a tool to like do that for me. Some difficulties did come with that though. I was not able to adjust the header and footer as I would have liked to. Getting this logo to be bigger, I would try, and it did not work. I am going to still have to work on that. And then getting the nav to adjust the way I wanted it was very hard. But some successes I did have was just adjusting how the mission and goals fit on here, and just the way that it flows. So I was grateful for that. I learned so much through this project, and I'm so grateful I was able to do it. And thank you so much, and have a great night.